Hi everyone, welcome to Clara's Feng Shui Cafe. In this video, I will talk about how to balance Yin and Yang energy to create a good Feng Shui living environment. This Chinese symbol is known as Yin Yang, originated from ancient Chinese philosophy of Taoism. The black area and black dot represents Yin energy, while the white area or white dot represents Yang energy. Yin and Yang is about how opposite forces can be interdependent, complementary, and balance each other in the natural world. The balance of Yin and Yang energy is very important in Feng Shui. A balanced Yin and Yang energy in your house can help you enhancing your health, fortune, and wealth luck. In Feng Shui, Yang energy is masculine. It's hot and represents the sun. It is active energy. On the contrary, Yin energy is feminine. It's cold, it represents the moon, and it's passive energy. If a house is too dark or too cold, that means it has lots of Yin energy, and there is imbalance between Yin and Yang. Too much Yin energy could affect the house owner's career development and wealth luck. Therefore, it's very important to increase the Yang energy in the house to make sure that Yin and Yang are more balanced. Does your house have the following problems? Number 1. Lack of natural light in the house. A house may be too dark or too cold due to its facing direction. If a house is facing northwest, southwest, southeast, or northeast, it may not get in lots of sunlight. Houses in these directions could be quite dark or quite cold. Another reason could be if a house is blocked by a tree outside or a tall building in front of the house. All of these factors prevent natural lighting entering the house. To increase Yang energy in the house, here is the remedy. Make sure you turn on the light during the day to increase Yang energy. In rooms that lack sunlight, you can also hang a large crystal ball to increase Yang energy. The second problem is that the windows in the house are too few or too small. If there are not many windows in the house, or if the windows are quite small, this could affect natural lighting entering the house. Insufficient lighting means lack of Yang energy or active energy. This could have negative effect upon family members' career or wealth luck. The remedy for this type of house is to paint the walls with bright white color. You can also hang a white curtain on the window to increase the Yang energy. If you want to boost the positive energy, you can also hang a natural gourd on the window to collect Yang energy. The third problem is the ceiling is too low. If the ceiling of the house is too low, it reduces the space of the house. When indoor space is too small, less lighting could get into the house. This means less Yang energy. Lower ceiling creates a sense of pressure, and this could affect the house owner's career and wealth luck. If your house ceiling is too low, here is the remedy. In the four corners of your living room, place a large crystal ball in each corner. The energy of the four crystal balls are like 4 columns, pushing up the ceiling. This remedy can help you increasing your Yang energy. In addition, the living room also represents the male host of the family. Therefore, the ceiling of the living room cannot be too low. The crystal ball in the 4 corners of the living room can help collecting Yang energy and enhancing the fortune luck. I hope you find my video helpful. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel.